Hey everybody, it's Lou. It's Thursday, July 16th, and just want to let you know what's going on a little bit here with the market. Henry Paulson testifying in front of the Congress about, this Bank of America Merrill Lynch deal that they did 2 months ago. Now, to me, this is just distracting on, what they should be concentrating on. They don't want you to see what's going on in the market. So they're doing all this crazy stuff. Now, that stuff is nonsense. Now, you got a bank ready to go bankrupt, CIT. It's not Citigroup, it's CIT Group. And what they do is, I guess they have, they went to the Congress, or they went to Obama and Geithner and Bernanke and asked for money, and they refused them, like $2 to $3 billion, and they wouldn't give it to them. But they went and gave all these other banks trillions of dollars. So they're saying that this bank's not a systemic risk to the economy or to the markets. So what they're doing here is this particular bank actually does payroll and all that for, I think, 1 million companies or something. So if they go down, all these companies are going to be hurting. So I don't see the logic in that. Plus they gave, GM and Chrysler all that money, and they're not a systemic risk. So you got that. You got jobless claims fall, but they're blaming the auto numbers. Could be the cloud in the picture there. Let's see what else you got. Oh, J.P. Morgan came out and announced better than expected earnings. The whole joke about that. Better than expected. They lower the estimates and then they come out and beat them. However, the credit card, profits are delinquencies are like 13%. Those are lower than expected. In other words, they were supposed to be like 8 or 9%, but they're 13%. So the economy's getting worse. People aren't paying no more, and I'm gonna post a funny video on the side. This guy talks about the economy, but he's breaking stuff and everything. It's pretty cool, and he knows what he's talking about. He's talking about the economy. I'm gonna post a link on the right side here, underneath where it says subscribe to my videos. All right, so you got all that. You got let's see, housing is foreclosures are rising. I think in June there was 365,000 more foreclosures. For the first half there was 1,000,004 new foreclosures. So this is getting all worse now. The market was up 250 points, and I played it long, as I said in my video on Monday, that I'm going to play it long. And I sold off those bank shares, Bank of America, Goldman Sachs. I made some money on those, and I sold them. And the other stock I own is the WRLD, and this stock has been working tremendous. It's up almost 2 points in the past 5 days. So, and the NENE, which is a stock I've owned for a couple of weeks now, well, maybe a week and a half, and that's been up. That's a 90-cent stock. It's up from 70 cents in the past 9 days. So that's a big move, especially if you own like 10,000 shares of it, so, or 20,000 shares or whatever. The WRLD is still a good play up till the 30th, or whenever they announce, a couple days after they announce. So it's WRLD. This one will probably continue to go up until they announce earnings, which are supposed to beat estimates, raised estimates, not lower estimates. So WRLD. The other one I have is ROK, is Rockwell Automation. That one I bought it 2 days ago. That one's been going up for the past 2 days. They're also announcing earnings, supposed to be better than expected, on this around the same date, the 27th to the 30th, somewhere in that week. So, I don't know what's going to happen with this market. Right now it's 11:30. The market's going up, it's going down. Right now it's flat, it's not moving anywhere. Maybe it's because there's false and things on there. But yesterday I knew it was going to be fixed. The market, I said it on Monday, the government's fixing this market. Goldman Sachs did come out and report record earnings, but that's all on trading. I mean, it's nothing to do with housing or anything like that. All they do is trade. They rip me and you off. In other words, if you put in a bid to buy and I put in a bid to sell, they make sure that there's a space in between where they get some money, maybe 10 cents, 20 cents. Now they do billion trades a day. That's a lot of money per day. So that's how they make their money, by ripping us off. So, all right, I may put in a thing for the FAZ, FAZ, this ultra short for the financials, because I don't think they're going to go up. I mean, they might. I mean, it's because it's fixed. So I hooked my money out and ran, and I'm going to take the profit. Now, I sold my gold and silver stocks that I had, but I own gold bullion and silver bullion, a lot of it. So what I do is, I try to trade those stocks on here. I was holding them for about a couple weeks, but they kept going down, but now they're starting to go back up. But I sold it yesterday when it went up. They went up. And, all right, so the other, I don't know. So that's it for today. I mean, the only other thing is, you should stock up on some food, because I think it's going to get really bad the end of this year, beginning of next year, with the civil unrest and all this tax stuff they're talking about, and, get some protection, maybe some weapons or something. We don't know what's going to happen here. And it's always a be safe than sorry, But this market's fixed. I can't assume it's going to keep going up here. So, I mean, there's a big move yesterday. It may move again. There's some technical issues. It probably won't, the S&P probably won't go above 950. Right now it's at 932. So, if it even gets that high. But you never know with the government in there. That's why I was saying that yesterday I buy. Now I'm going to take my profits, just sit back and hold on to these that I say are sure thing stocks, and stay away from the banks and all those. And, the WRLD, ROK, and the NENE. Those stocks have been working for me. The ROK I bought yesterday, 2 days ago. The other ones I've been holding for about a week, and they've been going up every single day. And they're going to probably go up until they announce earnings, the WRLD and the ROK. So that's it. I'm going to try to post that funny video for you guys. And he's got a lot of other videos on there. I'll just post one, then you can look them up on YouTube. But it's so funny. It's really funny. So I'll talk to you guys later, and have a good day.